Hi everyone! Today I wanted to talk about these two new colors that I got recently, Daler Rowney's Cobalt Turquoise Red shade and Green shade. Long story short, they're more like cerulean blues rather than typical cobalt turquoises we're all used to. Allow me to show you. I'll be swatching a few colors here to compare so we all can have an idea of where these two Daler Rowney colors lie. Please note all of these colors were made with PB36. This first one is White Knight's Cobalt Azure Blue, which is basically their cerulean blue green shade, similar to Daniel Smith's cerulean blue chromium if any of you have that. And now, Daler Rowney's Cobalt Turquoise Red shade. This is basically identical to the White Knight's one. PB36 is usually a granulating pigment, but this specific color seems to be rather smooth. And now, here is Daler Rowney's Cobalt Turquoise Green shade. It's still very much a cerulean blue hue. The tiniest bit more green-leaning than the previous, but the difference in hue is honestly so subtle even to the naked eye. Next is Rembrandt's Cerulean Blue Deep. As you can see, this one is obviously more green than Daler Rowney's Cobalt Turquoise Green shade, but still not as green as regular cobalt turquoises. Same with this one, which is White Knight's Cobalt Chrome Turquoise. Lastly, as a reference, I've swatched out Roman Small's Cobalt Turquoise PB36 as a reference to what I had expected the Daler Rowney colors to be similar to. Please note that I've done my best to color correct these, but seems like Roman Small's is still too green on screen. If you use Cobalt Turquoises, then you'll know. No matter what, the massive hue differences are still reflected very clearly here. So if you thought you're going to buy these two Daler Rowney colors and get a form of cobalt turquoise, be aware that they're more like cerulean blue-green shade. While we're here, I noticed a rather distinct difference between the two Daler Rowney colors. Red shade seems to be a rather smooth version of PB36 that I don't often come across, whereas green shade is nicely granulating, as what I've experienced with other brands. Daler Rowney's website and their color chart don't have any notation of granulation. So as your fellow watercolor buyer, consumer, collector, hoarder, YouTuber friend, let me simplify it for you. When looking at Daler Rowney's range of watercolors, if you want that warm cerulean blue that I love, get this one made with PB35. If you want your typical cobalt turquoise, I assume it's this cobalt green deep made with PB36. And if you want that cerulean blue green shade type of hue, pick either of these cobalt turquoises. The red shade is more smooth, whereas the green shade is the one with granulation. Yes, I am disappointed with my purchase, but that doesn't mean that these aren't good products. They're both solid performing artist grade watercolors, and if you love these hues of PB36, then I definitely recommend trying them out. They're just not my favorite blue. But of course, I won't just throw them out. If you ever experience something like this, don't be a rush to give your paint away. You can still use it in mixes. They work great in personalized colors like when I made V's Violet. With that being said, let me know what your thoughts are on these. Would you have made the same mistake I did? Probably not. I know you're a smart lot. Anyway, that's all I have for you today. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.